morning, guys. So today we are saying goodbye to my first sofa ever, and this is the L-shaped Senegal sofa from Furniture Manila. I really had to sell it already because a new sofa is coming this coming Friday. Wala lang space dito. So we are saying goodbye. It was a really good sofa, pero medyo sobrang laki lang siya, kaya lack of space. Goodbye! I was up all night long looking for movers, yung mga lipat bahay truck. Ang hirap makahanap ng mura. So, finally, yung last call kanina, binigay sa akin ng 1.8, and they're now on their way. So, right now, I have to arrange it para malipat na. It's ready. Goodbye, sofa. It's been a good 1 year. It's what it looks like kapag walang foam. Ito lahat ng mga foam niya. And super funny thing pa, ang nakabili is brother ni Lar. Rick. Hi Lar! Bili na ahya mo. Thank you very much. The apartment looks so spacious kapag walang sofa. Grabe. A new one is coming this coming Friday, pero mas maliit na lang yun. Now, I have a makeup gig, so I have to eat brunch, tapos get ready. Ready for my makeup gig, so I set up this, and may ilaw lang dito para makita ko yung true color. And I love having this space. Oh, love it. I just finished filming, guys. Ito yung temporary area ko, but it's really good. As in, I missed filming against the wall. I love it. So, I had to refilm a video I already filmed last night. Just because I wasn't too sure about the quality of the first one. So, parang sabi ko, medyo pangit to. I wanna repeat it. So, I did. So, right now, I have to get Uber. I'm gonna go get some frap. I've been craving for frap, guys. You know, latest addiction ko, yung Oreo cheesecake frap ng Jacob, but I'd have to settle for Krispy Kreme kasi yun ang pinakamalapit. I'm here at French Baker. I'm craving for fettuccine, and then since we don't have Jacob here, I got this one from Krispy Kreme. Ito yung original glaze nila. Finally home, guys. I wasn't able to vlog na after SM Manila because I attended a meeting after that. Tapos pumunta ako sa bahay just to visit the dogs. Nakakapanibago kasi 6 dogs na lang kami. We used to have 8 dogs. So parang, ewan ko, feel mo yung presence ng nawawalang mga aso. Anyway, it was good seeing my sisters, my mom, and my dad. Delicious diet for tomorrow arrived. At as usual, diretso sa ref. Ayan, ang ref kung walang laman. I also received a package. Haggard na ako. From Benefit. Thank you so much, Benefit. I'll open this up and post the contents on Instagram. So right now, what I'm gonna do is clean the makeup brush that I used kanina sa mga makeup and then I am going to clear out everything para pagdating ng sofa bukas, okay na yung space niya. Ano pa ba? Oh, tomorrow I have a shoot. I'm not sure if I'm supposed to announce it. Kung pwede lang i-announce. Not sure pa. Pero it's gonna be for something. And it's so exciting. I'll ask muna kung pwede ko nang i-announce. And then after that, yun, yung sofa darating bukas. It's a sofa bed, guys. I purchased a sofa bed. Okay siya kasi parang yung likod niya, pakita ko sa inyo bukas. Tapos nun, dinner date with Mark, pero I still have to go home muna para pakainin yung mga dogs since my mom and my sister won't be there. Yun. So far yun lang naman. Skincare time. I have to remove all of this. Perhaps take a shower kasi medyo mainit. So many goodies from Benefit. Wow! Mask. Bongga. Na-miss ko yung mga recent events nila. Clerks. Pero yan. Thank you so much, Benefit. I love it. I love it. I'll do a video on that. I also brought my own eco bag. Pero, ang ginawa nung nag-pack is, pinlastic pa rin niya. Yun. So, I have here, I bought bulbs for my soft wax kasi kulang yung bulbs ko dyan. White light. Yan. I also got a new hamper since I always break my laundry bags. As in, lagi silang nasisira. Ewan ko bakit. Mask for tonight is from Leaders. And this is the Green Energy Coconut Bio Mask with broccoli. And ganyan tupi-tupi yan kasi I squeezed out all the serum and applied it on my neck, my face, and yon. Bongga. I love it. So earlier, I was at World Trade Center and I started looking at the sky and I saw chemtrails. I'm not sure if you guys have heard about it, pero chemtrails kasi it's a bad thing. Merong conspiracy theory about it. I'm actually just gonna watch a few videos about it. And, nakakaloka lang. As in, sobrang kapal nung ka-lurks. Anyway, I have to edit a few more vlogs, guys. I'm actually super antok na. 1:30 a.m. I have a shoot in the morning, so I have to sleep. So, that's it. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye!